Avast Omni is a new type of security that protects you everywhere you connect. From a security standpoint, we need to realize that if it's smart, it's vulnerable. Our devices have evolved faster than our ability to protect them, which means every connected device can be hacked to create chaos in our home. Avast Omni combines human genius and artificial intelligence to keep the world safe. Security has changed, and so has the way we live our lives. Avast Omni offers 3 dimensions of powerful security for your entire connected world. The Internet of Safer Things. Avast Omni protects your entire home network, automatically securing all the devices you connect to that network. Know who and what is on your network. Use the Avast Omni app to see what devices are connected to your network and who's using them. Get alerts if something isn't right. Omni is always on the lookout for unusual behavior on your network. If it detects something, you'll be the first to know. Quickly block intruders. Don't recognize a device? Shut down the connection to your home network immediately. Protection that goes where you go. The Avast Omni app offers our most powerful on-device security for your computers, mobiles, protecting you even after you walk out the front door. You can't control what's on the internet, but you can control how your children use it. Protect your children both online and off with Avast Omni. It's as easy as install and connect. Set up powerful, world-leading protection from your living room. Keep your current router. One easy-to-use app won't slow down your Wi-Fi and protects any smart device. Powerful security everywhere you connect. Protect your connected world with Avast Omni. Available in the U.S. this summer.